7. Fruit. Learn English through stories.
Apricots. Apricots are small, orange fruits with a soft texture. They are sweet and slightly tangy. I love eating them fresh, or sometimes I dry them to eat later. Apricots are also great for making fruit jams.
Plums. Plums are small, round fruits with a smooth skin. They are juicy and sweet, with a hint of tartness. I enjoy eating plums fresh, or sometimes I use them to make jams and pies.
Lemons. Lemons are bright yellow and full of tangy juice. I use them to make lemonade or add them to dishes for extra flavor. Lemon zest is also used in baking. I love the refreshing taste of lemons.
Pomegranates. Pomegranates are packed with tiny red seeds. The seeds are sweet and juicy. I love eating them fresh or adding them to salads. Pomegranates are not only tasty, but also full of vitamins and antioxidants.
Avocados. Avocados are creamy and smooth. They are often used in salads, sandwiches, and guacamole. Avocados are a healthy fruit full of healthy fats. I enjoy them with toast or in a delicious smoothie.
Kiwi. Kiwi is a small brown fruit with green, tangy flesh. I love peeling the skin and eating the green part with its tiny black seeds. Kiwi is sweet and sour, and it makes a great addition to fruit salads.
Cherries. Cherries are small, round, and red. They are sweet, but sometimes a little tart. I love eating them fresh or adding them to cakes and pies. Cherries are also perfect for making jams and syrups.
Peaches. Peaches are juicy and have a fuzzy skin. I enjoy eating them fresh, especially during the summer. Their sweet and fragrant flavor makes them perfect for smoothies and desserts. I love adding peaches to my fruit salad.
Pears. Pears are soft and sweet. They have a smooth texture and a delicious flavor. I enjoy eating pears as a snack. They are also perfect in fruit salads or baked into pies. Pears are one of my favorite fruits in fall.
Blueberries. Blueberries are tiny and packed with antioxidants. They are sweet and a little tart. I love putting them in yogurt or on top of pancakes. Blueberries are also great in smoothies and fruit salads.
Watermelons. Watermelons are perfect for hot summer days. They are juicy and sweet, full of water. I love eating watermelon at picnics with my family. The red flesh and black seeds make it look so refreshing.
Grapes. Grapes are small and round. They come in green, red, and purple colors. I enjoy eating them as a snack. Sometimes, I freeze them, and they taste like little popsicles. Grapes are sweet and perfect for summer.
Pineapples. Pineapples are spiky on the outside, but sweet and juicy on the inside. I love the tropical flavor of pineapples. I eat them fresh, or I sometimes add them to fruit salads and drinks. Pineapples always remind me of summer.
Mangoes. Mangoes are tropical fruits that are very sweet and juicy. I enjoy eating them in the summer because they are so refreshing. Mangoes can be eaten fresh or used in fruit salads and smoothies. They remind me of sunny days. Mangoes are tropical fruits that are very sweet and juicy. I enjoy eating them in the summer because they are so refreshing. Mangoes can be eaten fresh or used in fruit salads and smoothies. They remind me of sunny days.
Strawberries. Strawberries are small and red with tiny seeds. They are sweet and slightly tangy. I love eating them fresh, or I use them to make smoothies and desserts. Strawberries taste amazing with whipped cream or chocolate.
Oranges. Oranges are so juicy and refreshing. I enjoy drinking orange juice in the morning. They are packed with vitamin C, which helps me stay healthy. The sweet and tangy taste of an orange always makes my day better.
Bananas are a great source of energy. They are soft and sweet, perfect for breakfast. I like to eat bananas with peanut butter. Bananas are also a great snack before exercising. They help me stay full and give me lots of vitamins.
Apples. Apples are my favorite fruit. They are crunchy and sweet. I love eating them as a snack. Apples come in many colors, like red, green, and yellow. My favorite is the red apple because it's so juicy and delicious. I also like to make apple pie with them.
Coconuts. Coconuts are a tropical fruit with a hard shell. Inside, there is coconut water and white flesh. I love drinking coconut water on a hot day, and the coconut flesh is great in desserts or smoothies.
Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is colorful with its pink skin and white flesh speckled with black seeds. It has a mild, sweet flavor. I enjoy eating dragon fruit in fruit salads, and it looks amazing on my plate.
Thank you. Follow us to learn English by stories.